Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Mama Thando's isiZulu classroom, where learning isiZulu is fun. isiZulu simnandi. In this lesson, mngani, you will learn 10 of the most commonly used izenzo verbs in isiZulu, and which you will be using a lot in your lessons at school and your lessons with me. At the end of the lesson, I have made a quiz for you. Yebo! I will tell you the verb in isiZulu. Then I will translate it for you into isiNgisi, English. Some verbs have more than one meaning in English, so I will tell you all of them. No worries there. Then I will give you a chance to repeat that word after me. If you feel like you didn't get enough time to repeat it, pause the video and then repeat the verb as many times as you need to. And then I will also ask you to make sure that you memorize all the words, learn their pronunciation, their spelling, their meaning. A quick tip for you, mngani, in speaking isiZulu. Always pull the syllable before the last one. For example, in the verb bonga, to give thanks, we will pull the syllable bo a little bit, like this. Bonga. For the verb dudula, which has 3 syllables and means to push in isiNgisi. In that one, we will pull the second du, just a little, like this, dudula. So, let's get started now with those verbs. A verb in isiZulu is isenzo. Verbs, izenzo. Really, what these words are saying, they are actually saying actions and an action. So, exactly what a verb is, an action word. Lala, lala, to sleep. Vuka, vuka, to wake up or to rise up. Ngena, ngena, to come in, to enter. Phuma, phuma, to go out, to come out. Donsa, donsa, to pull. Dudula, dudula, to push. Lalela, lalela, to listen. Bonga, bonga, to give thanks. Cela, cela, to ask, and also is used to simply say please. Thula, thula, to be quiet. Now, mngani, we've come to that quiz I promised you. I will give you the question, and then I will give you 3 answers to choose from. The quiz is timed to encourage you to think on your feet. Remember that we are here to learn, mngani. If you don't do well in the quiz, don't worry. You can come back again Watch the lesson again and take the quiz again as many times as you need to. Let's get going with that quiz. Oh, Mngani, how did you do? How was the quiz? Did you enjoy it? I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, click like on this video. Oh, Mngani, there is so much more for you to learn in isiZulu, and we are going to do it in a fun and enjoyable way. I am looking forward to those lessons. Sala kahle, Mngani.